A very good morning, all of you. Well, so we are continuing our classes, online classes. So that is a subject name is nothing but as a element of cost and market analysis. This is for the first semester students. So model number one, and we are today we have to discuss about that. What is the relation of other subject towards to the managerial economics, or how a managerial economics will be connected to the other subject, or there are so many subjects they have to be connected to the managerial economics, or what are those subjects it will be maintaining the relation with the managerial economics. A managerial economics it will not work without the following subjects. Means that in managerial economics it will work along with the other subjects. So that is why we have to be right about that. What is the relation of managerial economics with the other subject like stats or mathematics, accountancy, and then decision making, and then economics. There are a relations. Without these subject, the managerial economics will not work. So how today we have to know. So means that what are the relations of a managerial economics with the other area or a science or other subjects. Today we have to clearly. So managerial economics ಮತ್ತು ಅದರ್ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಏನು ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಇದೆ, ಆರ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರಿಯಲ್ ಎಕನಾಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಬೇರೆ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದು ಇದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರಿಯಲ್ ಎಕನಾಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಅದರ್ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೈ ದೇ ಆರ್ ರಿಟನ್ relationship of managerial economics with other area and science. So what is the relation of a managerial economics with the other subjects? Is it correct or not? That we have to write. Suppose a question will be arising in the examination. Define the relationship of managerial economics with other area and science. So you have to be right. Yes, there are relations of managerial economics along with the other subject. What are those subjects? You have to write. Here, ME I written. ME means that managerial economics and stat, they have a close relations. Statics. So statistics is nothing but as it will be a close relation with the managerial economics, and managerial economics it will be completely depend on the stat. Without the statics in managerial economics, the managerial economics it will be not work. That is why managerial economics have a close relationship with the stat subject. How means that whatever the collecting of data, analyzing data, sequencing data, mean mode and all this thing, percentage and all, ratio, everything we have to be maintained under the business. Then only we will get the figures. So means that here stat is playing very important role along with the managerial economics. Means that managerial economics have a good relation with the statics. So that is nothing but as a ME is a managerial economics and stat is having a close relation. You have to practice. Then second one, managerial economics having a good relation or a relation or dependent on the mathematics. Suppose you have a business, you are applying managerial economics, you want to mathematical calculation or not, how much you have paid, so salary and percentage, average, everything you have to make. Means that mathematics it will come in your business or not. So means that mathematics have a close relationship with the managerial economics. So that is why managerial economics and the mathematics it is a close relationship. It will work. The mathematics mathematically, without the mathematically, the result will not be come out. That is why mathematically it will be a close relations with the managerial economics. Next one, managerial economics and accountancy. Accountancy is necessary for in business. Means that how much you are paid, that is profit and loss account you have to be maintained, ledger you have to be maintained, petty cash you have to be maintained, and lastly you have to maintain about the balance sheet. Your organization, it will be under the loss or profit, it will show by the balance sheet, profit and loss, and lastly you will come about the balance sheet. Means that all are accounts, cash book and everything, salary how much you have paid. So this is nothing but as a accountancy, it will be a very close with the managerial economics. Managerial economics, it will work along with the accountancy. Without, it will not show what the company where it will going, either it will profit or loss. That break even receipt will shows because of the accountancy. Then same thing in fourth, managerial economics have a relation with the theory of decision making. So theory of decision making, it is a most important. Managerial economics itself as a application of economic theory to solve all problems in the management. Whatever the problems will comes in the management, all it will be solved with the help of theory of decision making. So you want to take the right decision in the organization. So means that theory of decision, it will be necessary under that. That it will shows that where your organization it will be stand. That is why managerial economics and theory of decision making have a close relationship. Decision making, it will give a accurate picture where your company it will be and which decision we have to take for success of your organization. That is why theory of decision and managerial economics have a close relation. And then we will move on the last is that managerial economics and economics. So I told you before only, economics means what, that how a organization it will be earn money, how he will be kept money, and how he will be utilize the money. That it will be showing by the economics. And how economics it will be close to the managerial economics. Managerial economics is nothing but as a economics it will be utilizing in business. We are calling as a managerial economics or a business economics. So that is why business economics and managerial economics means managerial economics it will be utilizing in the business. That is why we are calling as a business economics or a managerial economics. And economics it will be showing purely it is that nothing but how we have to earn money, how we have to cap, and how we have to be utilized. Means that that is all important in business. We have to know about that, how we have to be earn money, how we have to utilize in business, how we have to be kept, everything that is under comes in the economy, and how we have to save your money and how you have to consume and money, everything it will be showing under the economics. So that is why managerial economics and the economics have a close relationship. So these are all about that. What is the relations of managerial economics with the other science and all these things. So science subject also is the most important thing under that. So managerial economics and one more subject is that is nothing but as a managerial 6-1 managerial economics and science. Science means that in business, science also will play a very important role. So in managerial economics have a close relationship with the science. Science means that a new product we have to be manufactured in the production department. So here you have to be utilize the science. Science it will give you the how new product we have to be making, how we have to be manufactured, what type of chemicals we have to be under the mixing and all this thing. That all it will comes under the science and all this thing. So means that science and the managerial economics it will be have a close relationship. So that also. And one more is that in book they are not given. That is nothing but as a managerial economics and art. Managerial economics and art. Art is nothing but as a in business. If manufacturer or supplier what they are doing, they have to be utilizing a different strategy for selling of the product or making of the product. It is nothing but as a art. art and the managerial economics have a close relationship. That is why without the art, you can't sell more and more product in the market. That is why we had to make a art or strategy for the making of marketing or selling of our product. That is why these are all nothing but as a connected with the managerial economics. These subjects are connected and have a good relation with the managerial economics. Without this subject, the managerial economics will be not work. That is why the managerial economics with the other area and science. That is nothing but as a managerial economics have a good relationship with the statistics, and managerial economics it will be a relation with the mathematics, and managerial economics with the accountancy, managerial economics and theory of decision making, that is a making, and then managerial economics and economics, and the managerial economics relation with the science, and managerial economics with the art. These are the very important. They are working along with the managerial economics. That is why they have a good relationship. So you have to listen carefully. I am sending you the notes on that. What is the relations of a managerial economics along with the other subject, that you have to go through and listen carefully. And next tomorrow we will be again continuously. Thank you very much. Take care.